I'm standing here at our parade home for 2026, the McAllister Manor. And here at our job site, we've got some exciting things going on. I can't wait to show you all the awesome things going on inside this home. One thing that's a super exciting milestone is getting this brown coat up. And we've got our crew behind us, they're working hard. There's a lot of brick on this home. And so we'll have to do what's called a scratch coat. It gives something for the brick to attach to, but then also it's mixed with some stucco finish as well. And so we'll come back with some synthetic color coat stucco that's been custom selected by our interior design team to fit this unique style of this Georgian manor. Typically around the time when we are wrapping up or nearing completion of the brown coat, we try to get the rest of the backyard going, get our grades and elevations set, and then of course dig in our pool. And this pool, this backyard, how everything ties together, it's really gonna be a showstopper. It's gonna look like a movie scene. Then just one last detail I wanna show you on the exterior of this home. We'll probably also highlight it on the inside of this home as well, but these ellipse windows that are just custom made to the radius and the design and the exact opening that we wanted them to be. This view corridor out of the backyard, the inside veranda, how it ties into the living room, it's really gonna be a unique space. Now we're stepping into the home and there's some really fun features and fun spaces I wanna highlight and share with you. We just finished up our installation and we're working on our drywall right now. So it's a little bit of a mess, but bear with me. This space I'm standing in right now is so cool. Grand staircase right into the front door, this typical Georgian architectural feel and flow of a floor plan. And then there's a little bit of a quiet, artsy piano music room off to the left, to my left. And then over here to the right is like a niche reading room that connects also to an office. It's gonna be gorgeous how it finishes out. As we enter the primary suite, one thing that is very clear to me is how much natural light is brought into this space. And I think it's so cool. These windows on my left that open up, they open up into this private garden. There'll be a small bench and a fountain for kind of hanging out. It's supposed to be like a little relaxing oasis. All the windows of how the shape of the home is open up to that view corridor, which will just be super sweet. Of course, we've got a fireplace, and then follow me into the primary bath suite. And this is really just the resort cream of the creme. And this primary suite is so cool. I know it's hard to visualize it now, but we've got this gorgeous bathtub planned. Below the bathtub, the elliptical window looking out towards the north. And then one of my favorite things in this home as a whole is that this walk-in shower will be fully waterproof, steam shower, and attached to the shower is actually a dry sauna. So you can enter the sauna, hang out, do your red light therapy, your sauna treatment, jump into your shower all sweaty, and then jump into your closet and get ready for the day. So it's just this really cool like home health feature in this home. This primary closet is gonna be super cool. And some things I wanted to point out, as you look up, you might see like these wires hanging down, just this really light gauge wire. In fact, there's some in the wall right here. What these wires are is it's all the pre-wire for the accent lighting, under cabinet, above, below in the toe kick. And it's kind of crazy how much pre-wire and pre-thought goes in to even getting into this stage of where we're at today with sheetrock. This closet, in addition to just being very spacious and being custom, tying into our cabinets and all that, we've got this awesome safe that was provided to us by Browning and Utah Safe Co. And we've got some zoned speakers. So you can be in here getting ready, you know, maybe you're done with your workout, you've hit the therapy in the shower and in the sauna, and now you're in here jamming out, getting ready for Monday morning or whatever you got going on that day. So we've hit the primary suite, we hit the office, the music room, the hallways, We're back in the other hallway coming off of the main entry, and this opens up into this cool space over here, guys. As you follow me, we open up into this gorgeous kitchen and dining and living room, and how this is all connected, how it ties together, all the natural light, the arches, the windows. It's such a cool space. All right, now we've entered into the veranda, off the great room, living room, kitchen, dining, and this is a cool space for hosting. You've got your double stacker bifold doors on each side, one side opening up to the pool and backyard, the other side opening up to outdoor kitchen, outdoor hangout, some tables, and then here are those elliptical windows that just look out to the north that I showed you on the outside. Now, this is the inside look. It's just really a cool spot to hang out, chill, maybe enjoy some weather, maybe enjoy some good weather, watch a rainstorm. It's really cool. All right, we're almost done with this tour. Two more things I want to show you. This rec room, it's a full-size pickleball court. We've got a basketball hoop going in, and then this lounge, kind of man cave or she cave, woman cave. At the back of this rec room, we'll have some TVs, some lounge couches. Really a cool place to have friends, family over and participate in some athletic events, pickleball, basketball, maybe have a dancer that you can watch, but everybody can sit over there and spectate. It opens up to the outside. It's really a cool spot. And that's a wrap here at the McAllister Manor. Thanks for following us along on this tour of our 2026 parade home. We've hit the heart of the home through the hallways and the grand staircase. We hit the living room and the veranda. Of course, the center of the fun, the pickleball court and backyard. I'm standing here in the garage now where the McAllisters definitely would have had their getaway van. Next time, come with me. I'll show you some more cool details of the second floor, what's going in, and perhaps even showing you the third floor attic space. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.